Hi folks, John Richardson here once again. 29 years I'm approaching. Gonna show you a 2020 Catalina. Very highly thought of brand. This is a 323 bunkhouse. It's a big boy. It's so big that we're going to go in the back way, and I'm going to start at the back end and show you the big bunk room, and then we'll work our way to the front for two reasons. One, I can't get the front step open because it's too close to the one next to it. So, tell you a little about Catalina. They've been around since the 60s. That's a Coachmen product. This is what we refer to as stick and tin. As you'll notice here, we have two 7.5 gallon propane tanks. We got an electric jack. We got metal sides on it. We have pass-through storage. I think you guys probably know what that stuff looks like, but it's a very nice big storage area underneath the front queen walk-around bed. Now, you got an electric awning. You'll notice that we've got double doors here. Hit a button, your awning comes out, but as you can see right here, so this is the new type of more ride step that fits into the door. You'll see it from the inside. I can't show you from here. So, grab handle on it, aluminum wheels, outside kitchen. That's going to have a stove and a sink and a refrigerator, electric only. So you'll notice here, the awning ends here. This little door comes up and you've got overhead there. So we're going to go in through the bathroom in the back. The big benefit of this is where the kids are going to come in. So mom and dad can be up in the front. They got the bathroom. They can wash their hands. They can go potty right here. And then as we come in, they got their own little room here. Take you backwards here. So you can see we have 3 different bunk beds. This one here will go up, get out of the way, play area here if you wanted it to be, or a bed, ladder to climb up into. And notice how big this teddy bear bunk bed is. So you can have a great big kid there. Got lots and lots of cabinets in it. One piece rubber roof on top. You got a pocket door so the kids can be by themselves. In here in the kitchen area, we've got another big booth. We got refrigerator, glass top stove, double sink, pull out faucet. Very, very nice 1-year bumper to bumper warranty on it. You've got a hide bed here that'll pull out or roll over. This comes complete with television, fireplace, AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth capability, DVD in it, air conditioning all ducted through the ceiling, LED lights, and last but not least, your own private. Here's the step I was telling you about. That drops down, very nice step, blocks the door so nobody can fall out. And then inside in the bedroom, I'll let the cameraman in there. You can get an idea. We got a walk-around bed with storage underneath it. You got cabinets across, hanging closets on both sides, as you can see. This is part of your access underneath. There's your 32-inch box. The TV's already been installed. Any other questions, you guys? My name's John Richardson. There's the number. Give me a holler if you got any questions, or better yet, just come on out, ask for me. I'd love to meet you and tell you a little more about it. Bring the kids with you. We got room for about 8 of them. Thank you.